Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 1. My name is Novelida Rekasana. Push button is a switch that functions to connect or separate one terminal with another terminal in any electrical installation. Push button has normally open NO and normally closed NC, type contact. NO type push button, both terminals are not connected in the initial condition if the push button is pressed. Then the terminals are connected to each other close connect. NC push button terminal in the initial condition are already connected. Then if the push button is pressed, both terminals will be disconnected. Open contact. Push button has momentary, temporary, and latching type contact condition. In the momentary type, the push button condition returns to its initial state when the push button is not pressed.
Example: when the button is pressed, the condition of closed the when relaxed the button returns of the open state. In the latch push button, the button condition remains even though the button is no longer pressed. The working principle of the push button is the if in normal control is not pressed, the in contact does not change. In pressed, the NC contact will function as stop, and the on contact will function as a start. Usually used the motor control system inductor motor turn off the motor in the industry. Push button are divided to several types. Type normal open, the button is also called the start button because the control will close when pressed and open the reset.
When the button is pressed, the moving contact will touch the preset contact so that electric current will flow. Type normally closed NC. Type NC and NO. This type of contact has 4 volt terminals, so that if the button is not pressed, then a pair of contacts will be NC and the other contacts will be NO. If the button is pressed, then the closed contact will open and the open contact will be closed. The bulb's metallic plate is made to protrude slightly so that when pressed it creates a connection between the two terminals. The layer functions to press the switch or metallic plate. And finally, there is a metallic cover which functions as a cover for the switch and seal so that the other components can be located.
And this is the inside of the push button. There is a terminal that functions to send a signal or current when in contact with the vulgate metallic plate if pressed. And the way the legs work is in pair with the text one with an internal leg connection. On the left side of the push button, it is connected to the cable as well as on the right side. The right side has current wheel. The left does not because the conductor do not touch each other. And when the button is pressed, the initial state is open to close, and the conductor is open and in contact with another conductor. The enters through the conductor and goes to the left side, and the negative side now has current. this push button. If you press the button, will go in, and if you release it, it will return to its original shape, but the push button is already running.